hoping to do some live streaming in my guitar studio, and this of course is a Beatles number called In My Life. Though I know I'll never lose affection for people and things that went before, I know I'll often stop and think about them. In my life I love you more. This is called Blues Jazz. I've created the backing track using Band in a Box. I'm playing on my Broun acoustic guitar using Graphtec pickups, and I'm linking up to a Roland GR55 synthesizer. So let's give it a whirl. Goes on. Well, I hope to do a fair bit of live streaming on guitar, sharing some of the chord techniques and playing techniques I use, which I know are a little bit unconventional, and of course playing my various handmade guitars. This is the one I use mostly for performing, but this does go on, but that's it. So thank you very much for watching. Please tune in and subscribe.